What's going on? This is Charlie from Xclusive Autoworks, and today we're going to be showing off this Tesla Model S PLAID that we wrapped in Stex Stealth PPF. But first, before I show it off, we're going to take you through the process. You're going to see a little bit of the washing, a little bit of the wrap process, and a little bit of the ceramic coating. All right, so now that you got to see most of the process for everything, I'm just gonna do a little walk around. You can see the car. So this paint beforehand, make sure it's open. Oh, it's not open. This paint beforehand was gloss red. We just installed the matte PPF. Let me grab the key. I can show you the inside. You can see what the paint used to look like. So that's what it used to look like. Focus, and this is what we got. So it slightly changes the hue of it, very slightly. It's a little darker, I would say, but you get this matte paint look. And in my opinion, on the red, it's super clean. It just makes the car 10 times stealthier. And especially with the gloss black trim, it just really complements. So this got, like I said, the stacked matte PPF on the entire car. It's got C-Quartz skin, which is a PPF specific coating. It also got the wheels coated because the customer wanted that as an add-on. Yeah, that is the Model S Plaid. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave a like if you did like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video.